Hello everybody, welcome to the Hey Boys Woodworking. Welcome to the channel. My name's Sante. I'd like to start off by saying that I am not a professional woodworker. I don't even have that much experience woodworking, but I enjoy it. I've always been drawn to it, always had a fascination with it. And so, armed with the always handy around and find out method, YouTube education, and a can-do attitude, let's get into it. So there you see me ripping down the live edge slab that I found at my local shop. It's Patagonia rosewood, had good character. I was trying to get a nightstand done in time for Father's Day for my brother-in-law, but we were a little bit behind by a few days. Got caught up with some other projects, and I promise I won't be talking this entire time. With that being said, I'll let you guys enjoy a few clips that I pieced together of the live edge concealed drawer nightstand. Here you see me measuring my slab so I can rip the plywood to length. A little bit of hindsight, I don't believe I included this in the edit, but I ended up having to reconfigure everything and make it a little less deep. It wasn't what I had envisioned in my mind's eye. Lesson learned, I should definitely draw something up before starting a project, or at least brainstorm. I was definitely a little gung-ho on starting this entire project. It was my first time doing any piece of furniture like this. So you live, you learn. Here I am checking to make sure everything is square, that my cuts are good. I was using Baltic birch plywood, 1/2 inch. And for the leg support corner thingies, I was using mahogany that I found at a good price, kind of buried in the back at my local lumberyard. The only reason I decided to go with pocket holes is because I have never used that jig before, and I was excited to use it. As I said earlier, this was my first time, and I wanted to experiment with new things, new ideas, new techniques. What's that idiom? Sometimes you have to use your head? Or is that an adage? Stay.
Stay. Stay.
All right. After gluing up my box and cleaning up the glue a little bit, I decided to move upstairs to a comfortable chair and start cleaning up my slab. I thoroughly enjoyed cleaning up the slab. I put some headphones on and just got in a rhythm, got in the zone, kind of zenned out while doing it. Then I took it back outside, started cleaning everything up with the Dremel. I was attempting to make it as natural as possible. I think it came out okay, but it needs a lot of work. If you guys have any suggestions on what I could do better, please leave them in the comments below. I would love to hear back from you guys. Also, if you guys have made it this far, I would appreciate a like and a follow if you guys have enjoyed what you've seen so far. For those of you feeling extra froggy, share this with your friends and family. After hours of strenuous hand sanding, the taskmaster decided to show up. His name's Axel. He may be a goofball, but he runs a tight shop. All right, that concludes part one of that build. If you guys want to see more, be sure to hit the bell icon, turn all notifications on, and I'll have part two up hopefully soon. All right, see you guys then. Getting eaten alive right now.